Hello and welcome back to Cook with Dino. So today's recipe I'm gonna show you a vegetarian devil dish with the eggs, and here are the ingredients. And I'm gonna set up all the things, and I'm gonna heat up the oil. And keep low temperature. So first I'm gonna mix the batter. Here I have some boiled eggs. So I've put chili powder, red chili powder, a little bit salt, dark soy sauce, and a little bit pepper, crushed pepper, and some water. So here we need to make a real thick batter. So I had to add a little bit more to get the proper consistency. I need a little bit more water. So add little by little. So make sure it is really thick batter. So add a little bit tomato sauce here, and also I need a little bit more water. Also you can add this paprika instead of chili powder if you like. So I'll show you the thickness which I want. So it should be a really thick batter. At the same time, make sure you keep the oil too hot. High heat. So I'm gonna dip the eggs into the batter. So you put straight into the hot oil. So make sure the oil is always high heat. So try to keep the egg yolks inside always, otherwise it might come out, so you do it really gently. If you want, you can turn it, otherwise you can pour the oil on top. I'll just deep fry until to make it crispy. So you can see it's nice and crispy. So put it to a top of a paper towel to drain the oil. So here's the fried eggs. So next step is the making the dish. So add a little bit oil. So here, this dish you can eat with plain rice also, and you can use as a starter or maybe as a snack. It's a vegetarian. So if you want to make it gluten-free, you may use rice flour or potato starch to make the batter instead of plain flour. So you add garlic paste, ginger paste, some chili. You can add red or green, doesn't matter. Make sure you don't burn. Control your heat, otherwise you may burn your garlic and ginger. So you get nice aroma. Cook until nice and brown color. So always gonna make sure your heat is low a little bit, medium to low. So here I add a little bit salt, some pepper, also I'm adding some soy sauce. Mix it. And this stage I keep the batter, and I'm putting a little bit of batter to bind the paste. So may keep your fire a little low. You can see it comes like batter, like a paste now. So you need to add a little bit water to make like a sauce and stir it. Yeah, keep stirring. If you need little bit water, like more saucy, you can add a little bit more water. Also, yeah, so I'm adding a little bit water to make the sauce, to make a runny sauce. So now I add the eggs. Make sure you add it slowly. If you like more spiciness, always you can add more chili powder or pepper as you like. So now you have to be really careful and just mix the sauce to the egg without breaking the eggs. So cook for like 1 to 2 minutes, and I need to add some red onion and the bell pepper. So for that, I'm gonna take out my wok, and I'm gonna cook separate the onion and the bell pepper. So I'll take it out now. So in another frying pan, I'm using to cook the bell pepper and the onion. So add a little bit of oil, make really hot. Make really hot. So when it's getting hot, add the bell pepper. So you can hear the noise, I can smell it. And the onion. So cook for like 1 or 2 minutes until you get nice in color. So I take back my eggs. So I'm mixing the bell pepper and the onion. So now you have to be really slowly mix it. You get a nice color. So don't break the oil, you get the colors here. So it's ready. So the dish is ready to eat now. So I'm turning off the fire. So I'm gonna plate it now. And this is the final presentation, and you can try it at home. It's very good for a vegetarian person. You can try with rice or as a starter or as a snack. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, Cook with Dino NZ, and hope to see you again with another video. Thank you.